Iraqi Dinar Revaluation, the future of Iraq's economy and global impact. The Iraqi Dinar (IQD) has long been a subject of intense speculation among investors and economic analysts. Over the past 2 decades, Iraq has worked tirelessly to rebuild its economy, banking system, and financial infrastructure. With Iraq's government pushing for monetary reform, many are wondering, will the Iraqi dinar revalue soon? How will Iraq's economy evolve over the next decade? What role do global oil markets, foreign investments, and geopolitical changes play in Iraq's financial future? This article delves into the current state of the Iraqi dinar, the factors influencing its value, and the potential future scenarios that could unfold. Chapter 1. The History of the Iraqi Dinar 1.1. The Pre-Gulf War Era. The Iraqi dinar was first introduced in 1932, replacing the Indian rupee. Initially, it was pegged to the British pound, GBP, before shifting to the US dollar, USD, in the 1950s. Throughout the 1970s and 1980s, Iraq enjoyed economic stability, with the IQD valued at around 3.22 USD per dinar. However, things took a turn in the 1990s due to the Gulf War, 1991. UN sanctions on Iraq decline in oil revenue. As a result, Iraq saw a drastic devaluation of its currency, leading to hyperinflation and economic instability. 1.2 Post-2003, the fall of Saddam Hussein and currency reform. Following the US invasion in 2003, the old Saddam-era banknotes were replaced with a new Iraqi dinar. This marked the beginning of Iraq's financial restructuring, with the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, gaining independence. Despite these changes, the IQD has remained relatively weak in global markets, leading to continuous speculation about a potential revaluation RV. Chapter 2. Factors influencing the Iraqi dinar's value. 2.1 Oil-dependent economy Iraq is one of the largest oil producers in the world, with oil accounting for over 90% of government revenue. The strength of the Iraqi dinar is closely tied to global oil prices. Foreign investment in Iraq's energy sector OPEC, plus agreements on production levels. With Iraq recently securing a $25 billion deal with BP, analysts believe the country's economic outlook is improving. 2.2 Iraq's monetary policy and foreign reserves. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, plays a key role in stabilizing the dinar through foreign currency auctions, controlling inflation, managing Iraq's gold and USD reserves. As of 2024, Iraq holds billions of dollars in foreign reserves, strengthening its ability to support the dinar. 2.3 Political stability and economic growth. A stable political environment is critical for currency appreciation. Recent developments in Baghdad and Kurdistan have shown progress toward resolving budget disputes, strengthening Iraq's banking system, encouraging foreign direct investment, FDI. Despite some challenges, Iraq's government is making significant economic reforms aimed at boosting investor confidence. 2.4 Banking reforms and digital payments. Iraq's banking system has faced significant hurdles, including high interest rates up to 50%, lack of international banking partnerships, over-reliance on physical cash, transactions. To modernize, the CBI is launching initiatives to expand digital banking, making it easier for citizens and businesses to access financial services. Chapter 3. Will the Iraqi dinar revalue? 3.1. What is a currency revaluation, RV? A revaluation, RV, is when a country increases the official exchange rate of its currency. This leads to higher purchasing power for citizens, stronger economic growth, more investor confidence. 3.2. What experts say about a possible RV? Many economists believe an IQD revaluation is inevitable, but the timeline remains uncertain. Key predictions include short-term, small adjustments in the exchange rate, controlled float; medium-term, gradual appreciation based on GDP growth and oil exports; long-term, full revaluation depending on economic diversification. Chapter 4: How to invest in the Iraqi dinar. If you're interested in IQD investment, here's what you need to know. 4.1 Risks of IQD investment: market volatility, political uncertainty, long-term investment horizon. 4.2 Where to buy Iraqi dinar. Licensed currency exchange providers, banks in Iraq and select international financial institutions. Online currency dealers verify legitimacy. Chapter 5: Iraq's future and global economic impact. 5.1 Iraq's role in the global economy. With increased foreign investments, Iraq is expanding its oil and gas sector, building modern infrastructure, developing trade partnerships with China, Russia, and the US. 5.2 The impact of geopolitical events. Iraq's economic future depends on US-Iraq relations, Middle Eastern stability, China's growing influence in the region. 5.3 Iraq's 2025 budget and what it means for the IQD. The 2025 budget is expected to introduce new financial regulations, stronger currency management policies, potential exchange rate adjustments. Conclusion: is now the right time to invest in the Iraqi dinar? The Iraqi dinar's future remains a topic of debate. While Iraq has made major economic progress, a full-scale revaluation, RV, may take time. However, with stronger economic policies, growing foreign investments, government-backed monetary reforms, the IQD could become a stronger currency in the future. What do you think? Will the Iraqi dinar rise in value soon? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to stay updated on all IQD news.